Now today let's start with unit 2, chapter number 6, organism enjoy a symbiotic relationship. Explore the nature and you will find that जो living things होती हैं they tend to share their close bond. वो अपने close bond क्या करती है, share करती हैं and they are interdependent होती है, वो बहुत खुश भी होती है. Meet some organism that enjoy symbiotic relation and work together to benefit from each other. Like we have aphids. They are small, soft-bodied and defenseless insects. ये प्लांट सैप पे क्या करती हैं, फीड करती हैं. दे फाइंड अ कॉलोनी ऑफ एपिड्स एंड मिल्क द वेस्ट प्लांट सैप फ्रॉम द बॉल, राइट. एंड इन रिटर्न दे प्रोटेक्ट एम्पिड्स फ्रॉम प्रेडिएटर्स एंड पैरासाइट्स. किससे प्रोटेक्ट करती है? प्रेडिएटर से और पैरासाइट से. इन सम केसेस जो आंट है, बिग टाइम्स एफिड कॉलोनीज ऑलमोस्ट वेंचर tend their cattle, not only protecting the amphits but also moving them from plant to plant. क्या करती है? Plants to plants क्या करती है? Move करती है. Then we have goby. It uses shrimp burrow. क्या use करता है? Shrimp burrow for protection from predator. They also act as eye from pistol shrimp. The bobby hover above the burrow, feeding and interacting with other goby. And जो shrimp है वो अपना antennae को use करती हैं to stay in constant contact with goby's tail while searching for if predatory fish approaches. अगर predatory fish क्या करती है? Approach करती है तो goby flicks करती है its tail several times, alerting the shrimp to refeed into the burrow. At night, the two rest together in a burrow. दोनों कहाँ करते हैं? burrow में rest करते हैं. Then we had spider crab. Spider crab, it lives in a shallow area of ocean floor. Greenish brown alga lives on the crab's back, making it blend with the environment, keeping it safe from predator while the alga gets comfortable place to live the crab and gets camouflage. Then we have oxpecker. They are the birds that ride on rhinos or zebras. किस पे राइड करते हैं? ऑन राइनोज और जैबरास. और ये टिक्स ईट करते हैं पैरासाइट और ये होस्ट स्किन पे क्या करते हैं? लिव करते हैं. द ऑक्सपैकर गेट फूड एंड होस्ट गेट पेस्ट कंट्रोल. एंड व्हेन देयर इज अ डेंजर फ्रॉम अप्रोचिंग प्रेडेटर, जब डेंजर होता है, द ऑक्सपैकर्स फ्लाई अपवर्ड एंड हिस टू अलर्ट देयर होस्ट ऑफ पॉसिबल डेंजर. देन वी हैव पिंगी पैरासाइट. ये आपको मेनली ओशन फिश में मिलेगा, where very dangerous for the host pest and have potential to cause many fish mortalities. While these parasites are very dangerous to the reef ecosystem, cleaner brachy rely on them and they are stable primary sources of nutrients and food. Then honey badgers, ये algae और powerful flows को open करते हैं beehive में, जहाँ पे ये honey के साथ feed करते हैं और they do not harm larvae. हनी बैगर्स, इनकी एक सिम्बायोटिक रिलेशन होती है विद हनी गाइड एंड बर्ड. एंड द बर्ड्स लीड बैजर टू अ हनी सोर्स. जो बैजर ओपन करता है सोर्स को और हैविंग इट्स पिल्स लीड्स द बर्ड टू फील और फीड ऑन द लेफ्ट ओवर हनी. और बर्ड्स को छोड़ देता है कि वो किस पे फीड करे? लेफ्ट ओवर हनी पे. Now test your best. Certain bacteria live in the intestine of human, and what they produce, they help to produce vitamin K. Plants like beans, peas or lentils, ठीक है, they also known as leguminous plants. इनके पास में certain kinds of bacteria होते हैं जो nodules of the roots में रहते हैं. ये गैस है जो बैक्टीरिया को फिक्स करती है soil में, which is used by plants. That is nitrogen. What is common palindrome? It is one species benefited from other to affect all, या फिर one species benefit the other is harm in the process. तो क्या होगा इसका? जिसमें harm हो रही है, that is your A. What is symbiosis important? Because it allows ecosystem to overlap and become independent on each other. Yeah, it kills all predators. ये सारी प्रेडिएटर को क्या करती है? किल करती है. What is the most common form of symbiosis? That is predator symbiosis. What it is? It is the most common symbiosis. Now we have done with this chapter. We will start with the next chapter. That is chapter number 7, adaptation in animal. What is adaptation? Adaptation is the part of animal's body wherein in which animal behave and help it to survive. Animals ऐसे बिहेव करता है कि उसको लग रहा है हेल्प करेगा सर्वाइव कर. यू हैव टू आइडेंटिफाई द एनिमल्स विद द पिक्चर्स एंड फिल देयर नेम्स फ्रॉम द हेल्प कॉलम. और फिर आपको नेम्स फिल करने हैं फ्रॉम द हेल्प. फर्स्ट इज टू प्रोटेक्ट itself. दिस एनिमल टर्न्स ब्राउन इन समर एंड व्हाइट इन विंटर. इसको क्या कहा जाता है? कॉलर्ड लैमी. इट हैज नेचुरल एंटी फ्रीज बॉडी. कैसी है इसकी? नेचुरल एंटी फ्रीज सिस्टम इन इट्स बॉडी. So it does not die when the temperature slow fall below freezing. जब टेम्परेचर गिर भी जाता है फ्रीजिंग से नीचे तब भी ये क्या करते हैं? ये मरते नहीं है. ये अबेंडेंट शुगर्स को स्टोर करते हैं और ये एक एंटी फ्रीजिंग एजेंट. व्हाट आर दीज? दीज आर एंटी फ्रीजिंग एजेंट. इन्हें क्या कहा जाता है? वुड फ्रॉग. व्हाट आर दे नोन एज? दे आर नोन एज wood frog. The back of the statue looks like snake head. Snake के head की तरह लगता है इसका फीचर जो होता है. Frightening vision for most predators, and this creature defends itself by mimicking a snake. ये अपने आप को क्या करता है? डिफेंड करता है. By mimicking a snake. What it is known as? It is known as hawk-moth caterpillar. इसे क्या कहा जाता है? Hawk-moth caterpillar. Now fourth is the animal live in the places like treetops, building and birds houses where it's safe from many predators. जो बहुत ज्यादा सेफ रहता है that is your squirrel. Then the fur of the body of these animals blends with snow color. So the prey cannot see them easy. तो इसे क्या कहा जाता है? Polar bear. Now, as this chapter has been completed, we will start with the next chapter. That is chapter number 8. What is chapter number 8? Amazing body facts of animals. Now, first is an elephant. जो उनकी nose होती है, they are joined with upper limbs. और ये क्या form करती है? Trunk. और elephant suck करता है water through this mouth when drinking water or throws it. उसको बाहर फेंकता है. मतलब ट्रंक से पीता भी और उसको बाहर भी फेंकता है. And in some insects, elongated sucking tube called proboscis is present, and the shape of dog nose जो क्या करता है? वो effect करता है ability to detect smells. Dogs with longer broad nose make the best tracker, and some animals have colorful noses to communicate with each other. ठीक है. और जो मेल मैंड्रिल होते हैं, they have brightly colored nose. उनका सेक्लेट होता है ब्रिज ज्वाइन में. और जो फीचर्स है वो उनके क्या करता है? सेक्स को डिटरमाइन कर. देन insects have compound eyes. इनकी compound eyes होती है and which do not provide them with a clear picture of the world, and this enable them to detect movement very easily. It is difficult to catch fly without disturbing it, and cats and some other hunting animals have eyes which points forward. And by superimposing image, eye which overlaps slightly, the brain of cat provided very accurate picture. और ये hunt करते हैं night में and have more rods in their retina, which works better when the light is poor. और वो कब better work करता है जब light कैसी होती है, poor. Then they have some insects that use their tongue for hunting, like alligator. ठीक है, spanning travel from North America. What does turtle do? Waits for fish to swim into the mouth and close its jaw. A fish are lured by turtle's tongue, mistaking it to be bone, and chameleons have long tongue, and which they can shoot out of the mouth to catch insects with great accuracy and speed. Cat अपनी tongue का use करते हैं like a ladle, और ये expand करते हैं at the tip of lamp or drink easily, और जिनकी tongue होती है rough होती है और उनके hairs से move करते हैं while grooming. Then we have alligator. What are alligators? They prefer to lie and spade. The method of hunting requires little effort but chances of getting food are very low. ये cold blooded जो alligators होते हैं, they has minimum energy required and they get up an infrequent meal. Most ambushed hunters, they are fairly small because successful ambush depend on the predator. Avoiding detention until it strike. जब तक वो strike नहीं करता उसको detect करता है. Then we have blue whales that make very loud, low noises that can travel for hundreds of miles. The large ears of Panax hawk इसको help करते हैं to detect prey in darkness or dry climate. And food may be very scarce. And in some mammals such as African elephant, the ear flaps are very large and the elephant flaps its ears to help it stay cool. और उसको help करता है कि वो कैसा रहे, cool. Then we have hawks. Hawks, what are these? There are many predators that catch their prey by chasing it. They are known for their sharp vision. और chasing दोनों time और effort लेती है. And to be a successful predator, chase their prey must concentrate on species. So enough nutrition provide करती है. And that is the reason why the hawks tends to eat more rodents and birds than grass. ये ज़्यादा rodents और birds को eat करता है compared to grass. Now we will test our brain, whatever we have studied. What are the finger-like projections which lying in the small intestine called? And do these projections, the basic ingredient of food is taken up by the body. इन्हें क्या कहा जाता है? Villi. Then in 1628, who proved that blood is circulated through the body and that the heart is responsible for its circulation. किसने करा था? Henry. William Horvey. It is the anterior midline of the neck between chin and thyroid cartilage. ये horseshoe shaped bone है जो आपका situated है. What is it known as? इसको हम क्या कहते हैं? It is known as hyoid bone. What are the three main kinds of joint? आपको तीनों जो हमारे main kinds of joints हैं, skull joint, what are floating ribs? Floating ribs क्या होते हैं आपको वो बताना है. ठीक है, ribs that floats are known as floating ribs. Now our chapter has been completed. We will start with the next chapter, that is chapter number 9. Unique universe. Let's study about our unique universe. The Milky Way consists of, the Milky Way है, consists of 200 billion and 4 billion stars. It is spread out of thin disk and appears to be spiral galaxy. It is 1 lakh light years across. Our dash is located midway in our disk. हमारा क्या located है? our sun is located. That is one of the many satellites of Jupiter and heaviest natural satellite of our solar system, and its mass is nearly double of that of moon. जो जितना मून का मास है उससे डबल है, दैट इज योर जनरल डेंसेस्ट प्लैनेट्स ऑफ आवर सोलर सिस्टम, जिसकी डेंसिटी 5.5 टाइम्स है वाटर के, एंड सैटर्न विच इज डेंसली, सैटर्न की डेंसिटी कितनी है 0.6 टाइम दैट ऑफ वाटर एंड वन ऑफ द लोवेस्ट डेंसिटी. It is the planet where it is placed in a huge ocean and Saturn would be the only one to float. उसमें से Saturn एक ही है जो क्या करेगा, फ्लोट करेगा. That is your Earth. This planet do not spin on its axis like other planets, but rather spins in barren sort of formation. What is this planet known as? इसको हम क्या कहते हैं? That is Uranus. Then this planet produce most violent winds and suffer most violent weather. ठीक है, बहुत ज्यादा winds चलती है, weather भी बहुत ज्यादा violent होती है. You have to tell which planet it is. It is your Uranus. Now Vostok, Soyuz और Apollo 13, ये किसके names हैं? These are the names of spacecraft. Now we have completed this chapter. We will start with the next chapter. That is chapter number 10. Volcanoes. What are volcanoes? Volcano is a mountain or a hill formed by accumulation of material erupted through one or more openings. On average, 50 to 60 volcanoes, they are active in a given year. The different types of material वो erupt करता है from volcano, lava, tephra and gases. Each volcano eruption is different depending upon composition of magma beneath the surface. और जो amount of gas है आपकी इसमें magma. Now, given below are some volcanoes. You have to name these volcanoes. First is, it is world greatest volcano eruption in Indonesia island of Sumbawa. ठीक है, between April 10 and 5 and 10, 1850. It discharged matter estimated to be 150 to 180 kilometer. इसको क्या बोला जाता है? It is known as Tambora volcano. Then we have world most threatening volcano. ये dangerous volcano है, located at west of Naples, Italy, and it has direct impact on more than 1 million people who lives in Naples and nearby city. That is your Mount Vesuvius, जो आपका कहाँ ला करता है? इटली में. Now, being the world largest volcano, world का largest volcano है. It is arc type of basaltic shield volcano. ठीक है, ये 6 lakh to 10 lakh year old है. ये 3680 feet above है. ठीक है, इसकी जो वॉल्यूम है वो 42,500 किलोमीटर है एंड 84.2% बिलो द सी लेवल है. और जिसका क्रिएटर है वो मेजर करता है 10.5 किलोमीटर. ठीक है, कितना डीप है? 150 to 180 मीटर डीप है. इसको क्या कहता है? माउना लाओस. कहाँ लाया करता है? हवाई में. Then we have most active volcano. ये हवाई आइलैंड, हवाई वॉल्केनो नेशनल पार्क में है, यूएसए. ये कंटिन्यूअस है फ्रॉम 1983 और ये डिस्चार्ज कर रहा है लावा को एट द रेट ऑफ 5 मीटर पर सेकेंड स्क्वायर. इसको क्या कहा जाता है? इट इज नोन एज किलियुआ. Now, we have completed this chapter. Our unit 2 has been completed. Hope you understood the chapter. That's all for today. Thank you.